Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Patriot and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now the cabin air filter is located in the passenger's cabin just behind the glove box. So first thing you have to do, you have to lower down the glove box all the way so you can reach the cabin air filter compartment. So open it up, and now what you have to do, you will have to push in these two sides of the glove box to be able to lower it all the way down. So just here, I'll try to turn the flash on my phone. So just here you'll have like two pins that are holding this glove box, you see. So just have to kind of pull onto it to be able to lower it down, and you'll have to do it at the same time at both sides. You see, you have this thing here as well. So this can be a bit tricky to do sometimes, but okay, this is what has to be done, you see, on both sides. Okay, and once you do that, you still have this like a line here which is holding the glove box, so you just have to detach it from the glove box, you see here. So just have to push this pin down to be able to unhook it. I'll have to use both of my hands to do this, but this is the idea. You just have to pull this down and then out. Okay, I think I should be able to do it with one hand. Okay, see, just like this. Now gently put this away, and now you have the access to a cabin air filter compartment. You can see this right here is the cover, and the airflow goes down. So that means when you're installing the new cabin air filter, you have to be careful, and because every air filter will be marked with the arrows, so the arrows have to be pointing down. Now to remove this cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You just want to press onto each of them to release them and remove this cover. And now you can just pull the cabin air filter straight out. Okay, just like this. You can see how dirty this one is. I got this car off the car auction, and on every car I get like this, I change all the filters, fresh oil change and things like that. And I will also show you on this old one, you can see the arrow right here. So this is the arrow I was mentioning. So this arrow has to be pointing down, and that's the idea. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.